This powered retractable bed cover is tailored to Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2014 through 2018 with the 5-foot 9-inch bed, giving a clean, integrated look that feels factory ready. The heavy-duty aluminum construction and matte black finish feel robust on the trail and around town, offering reliable protection from weather, road grime, and everyday abuse. Being able to open and close the cover with a key fob or the bed rail controls makes daily use effortless, especially when your hands are full or conditions are bad. The electromagnetic brake that lets you stop and lock the cover at any point along the rails is genuinely useful for hauling mixed loads while still keeping gear secure. Integrated utility rails with T-slots and the key fob-controlled bed lighting turn the truck bed into a more versatile workspace, especially for mounting racks and loading at night. The cover rolls smoothly on sealed bearings with no noticeable maintenance needs, providing nearly full bed access without the hassle of folding panels or bulky hinges.